Hello guys, I'm practicing one word substitution SSCGL. A herd of flock or animals being driven in a body, drove. Drove. A group of three novels or plays, each complete of itself. Trilogy. A self-governing country or a region, autonomy. A place where coins, medals or tokens are made, mint. A person who is trained to travel in spacecraft, astronaut. One who does not take any alcoholic drink, teetotaler. A large building with an extensive floor area, typically for housing aircraft. एयरक्राफ्ट को खड़ा करने के लिए जो जगह होती है हैंगर. A person who listen to someone's private conversation without them knowing, eavesdropper. A large bedroom for a number of people in a school or institution, dormitory. A group of people, typically with vehicles or animals traveling together, caravan. A place in a large institution for the care of those who are ill, infirmary. A group of star, constellation. Having no boundaries or limits, infinite. One who studies the occult meaning of numbers and their supposed influence of human life, numerologist. A sentimental longing for a period in the past, nostalgia. A large cage building or enclosure to keep birds, birds को रखने के लिए, aviary. Soft inner part of a nut or fruit, stone, pulp. A news article that reports the recent death of a person, obituary. Something that is to your advantage but happened by chance, fortuitous. To throw an event into confusion or disorder, disrupt. A person who thinks that bad things are more likely to happen or who emphasizes the bad part of situation, pessimist. The act or habit of talking in one's sleep, somniloquy. An imaginary ideal society free of poverty and suffering, utopia. A dynamic campaign for political, social or religious change, crusade. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present, bouquet. One who does not believe in the existence of God, atheist, Gnostic. One who supervises in an examination hall, invigilator. A person preoccupied with an unrealistically optimistic approach of life, quagiotic. थोड़ा सा. A group of people, typically with vehicles or animals traveling together, caravan. A person appointed by two parties to solve dispute, arbitrator. The state of being subject to death, mortality. A musical composition made up of a series of songs or short pieces, medley. A secret of disguised way of writing, cipher. A person who entertains people by doing difficult feats, acrobat. An incongruous or chaotic mixture, cacophony, sorghul. A family of young birds, brood. A short rest or sleep taken after lunch, लंच के बाद जो शॉर्ट लेते हैं उसको बोलते हैं सिस्टा. A corporation made up of a number of different companies that operates in diversified field. ये होता है conglomerate. An examination of dead body to determine the cause of death, postmortem. A person who presents a radio या television program, anchor. A person employed to drive a private or hired car. Chauffeur. The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. Rhetoric. Rhetoric. ये हो गया rhetoric. Next question. Speed greater than that is sound. Supersonic. A place where Buddhist monks live. Monastery. Doctor who deals with bone problem. Orthopedist. A large bundle bound for storage or transportation. Ballet gantry. Someone who studies election and voting statistics. Psephologist. Doing something awkwardly or in a clumsy manner. Fumbling. Person who draws or produce maps बनाता है जो cartographer. The act of thinking now about something in the past. Retrospection. A place where coins are manufactured. Mint. A person authorized to examine and verify accounts. Auditor. One who is easily deceived. Gullible. In exactly the same words as were used originally. Verbatim. A person who presents and acts as a link in radio or newspaper program. Anchor. Animal that can live both on land and in water. Amphibian. An act of breaking or failing to observe a law. Breach. A patient with imaginary symptoms and disease. Hypochondriac. Based on chance rather than on reason or plan. Arbitrary. Child whose parents are dead. Orphan. Anath. An imaginary perfect state or place. Utopia. So small or unimportant as to be not worth considering. Negligible. In an enthusiastic way. Heartily. The branch of science concerned with the study of earth and its composition. Geology. A close fitting cover for the blade of a knife or sword. Sheath. Mayan. A 7-side figure. Heptagon. Withdraw from a forward position in battle. Retreat. Relating to the present time. Contemporary. A person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a dance performance. Choreographer. Animals that live in water. Aquatic. The scientific study of the universe and plants. Astronomy. Eat or drink food quickly and in large amount. Glup. A government run by the wealthy लोगों की government. Plutocracy. That which is incapable of being read or understood. Ineligible. A person who formally requests something, especially a job. Applicant. Continuing for a long time. Prolonged. Fond of company. Gregarious. Milansar. A person who arranges and sells cut flower. Florist. The branch of physics concerned with the properties of sound. Acoustic. A new project or business actively involving some risk. Venture. Instrument that measure the altitude of the land surface. Altimeter. A place or scene of activity, debate or conflict. Arena. Relating to soldiers or war. Martial. One who pretends to be what he is not. Hypocrite. Killing of one's mother. Matricide. A period of 2 weeks. Fortnight. Something which cannot be taken by force. Impregnable. Not active or growing. Dormant. Alsy. A strong interest in something or someone. Fixation. To come to an end. Expire. One who has the power to Do anything. Omnipotent, सर्वशक्तिमान. A person who presents radio television program anchor. The nest of squirrel typically the form of mass of twigs in a tree. होता है ड्रे, DREY. A sentimental longing for a time. Nostalgia. One who cannot be reformed or changed. Incorrigible, जिसे चेंज नहीं किया जा सके. A person who pretends to have morals and believes that he or she does not believe. Hypocrite. A large cage building or enclosure of keep birds. Aviary. Leather straps put around a horse's head to control its bridle. A professional who works with patients who have heart problem. Cardiologist. The study of ancient civilization and cultures by examining their sites. Archaeology. The arrangement of events or dates in order to their occurrence. Chronology. A place or ideal perfection, especially in laws, government and social condition. Utopia. Certain to happen, घटित होने के लिए निश्चित. Inevitable. People existing or living at the same time. Contemporaries. A quick sudden movement. Flick. A busy main road for public use. Thoroughfare. Someone who runs away from justice. Fugitive, bhagoda. A place where a dead person's body is burnt. Crematorium. An institution for the care of people who are mentally ill. Asylum. One who investigates and solves crime. Detective. A person who helps other in need. Smartian. One who eats human flesh. Cannibal. A hunting weapon which comes back, used by Australian Aborigines. Boomerang. Causing a strong dislike. Repulsive, घृणात्मक. Thanks.